Now let us discuss instantaneous speed, that is speed at a particular time during motion. You all know that in a uniform motion speed remains same, but in this instantaneous speed is required speed at a particular time during motion. That is which motion? It will be only in non-uniform motion, because in uniform motion instantaneous speed remains same everywhere. In non-uniform motion it varies according to time. Instantaneous velocity, that is velocity at a particular instant of time. This is also possible only in non-uniform motion. This is also possible in only non-uniform motion. So in a non-uniform motion you will have instantaneous velocity and instantaneous speed. What is average velocity or average speed? Average speed is total distance covered upon total time taken by the object. What is average velocity? Average velocity is total displacement upon total time taken. But when you start from a point and reaches back to the same point, average velocity will be 0, whereas average speed you can calculate. Now the next term will be acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. If velocity increases, then there is positive acceleration or only acceleration. But if velocity decreases, then there is negative acceleration or deceleration or retardation. But this happens only when velocity decreases. If the initial velocity is 0 and final velocity is 100 meter per second, then acceleration will be, if initial velocity is 0 and final velocity is 100, then 100 minus 0 upon time, this will be positive acceleration. But if initial is 100, final is 0, then 0 minus 100 upon t, that is negative acceleration. So first one is acceleration, second one is retardation. Now next is One more thing you should be aware of: in a uniform motion, acceleration is always zero because velocity will remain same. There is no change in velocity. In a non-uniform motion, you will have an accelerated motion because velocity keeps on changing. Now, what is acceleration due to gravity? Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is acceleration under the influence of gravity or gravitational force. This is acceleration due to gravity. In practical sense, if the object is going upwards, you are having some initial velocity, but velocity keeps on decreasing. Here v will be less than u in this example. Therefore, acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by small g, will have negative value. But here in this case, if it is coming down, it has initial velocity as 0, final velocity increases, this decreases. So here acceleration is equals to, because in this case v is greater than u, so acceleration due to gravity will be positive. Until and unless value of acceleration due to gravity is mentioned, you have to use that value, otherwise you have to use 9.8. Acceleration due to gravity has a value equals to 9.8 meter per second square. Here also you must know SI unit of acceleration. Meter per second square. So if you are moving against the gravity, acceleration due to gravity will be considered as negative. If you are moving towards the gravity, acceleration due to gravity will be considered as positive. So g is 9.8 meter per second square. Here g is positive, here g is negative. Value of g will be considered as 9.8 meter per second square. Otherwise you will take that value which is given in the question. If in the question no value is given, you have to consider this 9.8 meter per second square. To be exact, g is 9.86 meter per second square, but you have to consider this one. This is the constant value. So here you came to know about displacement, distance, velocity, speed, acceleration. One more thing, acceleration is a vector quantity. It has a direction. So now let us understand the graphical approach of variation of displacement, distance. We will discuss displacement time graph, velocity time graph, and acceleration time graph. So all these things, three physical quantities, that is distance, displacement, velocity, and acceleration, varies with time in motion.